Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Harley-Davidson Triglide Ultra Classic with 21,889 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with heated accessory plugins, headlight and passing lamp trim rings, smoked front turn signals, a luggage rack, mirrors, grips, an LED headlight and LED passing lamps, short antennas, passenger armrests, fairing lighting, tour-pack lighting, rear fender rails, rear fender trim, a rear bumper, front fender fairing trim, and a Zumo GPS. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine with a 6-speed transmission, the Triglide offers dependable power with 100 foot-pounds of low-end torque. If you're looking for a powerful factory trike with classic styling and comfortable amenities, the Triglide would be a great option. It has a seat height of 27.1 inches and a dry weight of 1,204 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.